So here we have a triangle whose two exterior angles are 85 degrees and 125 degrees. We have to find x here. Now we know that angles on a straight line, you can say it a straight angle, it is equal to 180 degrees. That means if this is angle y, then 125 plus y is equal to 180 degrees, and these two angles are called complementary angles. So if this is 125 degree and sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees, then y is equal to 180 degrees minus 125 degrees. So y is equal to 55 degrees. Similarly, we can find this angle. If this is z, then z plus 85 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. That means z is equal to 180 degrees minus 85 degrees, or z is equal to 95 degrees. So y is 55, z is 95. We can find x. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That means x plus 55 plus 95 is equal to 180 degrees, or x is equal to 180 degrees minus 55 minus 95, or x is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. Minus 55 plus minus 95 is minus 150, or x is equal to 30 degrees. So we found x is equal to 30 degrees. There is another way of finding this angle. There is another property where exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That means 85 degree is equal to x plus this angle we can calculate. 180 minus 25 is 55. So x plus 55, or now we can calculate x from here. X is equal to 85 minus 55, or x is equal to 30 degrees. So which method did you like more? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.